Hey friends, if you encounter the 403 forbidden error and wish to fix it, then please watch this video. I'll give you the easiest solution. Open a different browser, okay? Check if the website works here. Let's say it's geekchamp.com. If it works, well and good, because 403 means that you do not have permission. Now, websites keep sending cookies and you install them on your system, so that's how they detect whether you have to get permission or not. And if you're denied permission on the other browser as well, simply use a VPN. There are many free VPNs available online, but I have a paid one, so I'll show you with it. Okay, simply use a VPN, or you can go to these three dots here and select extensions and then go to the web store and then search for VPN. Okay, and hit enter and then go to the VPN option here and try to install it. Okay, so you can use any free VPN if you want to. Just unblock this website. If it doesn't work even after that, although in 99.9% cases it will, then I think that it will not open at all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.